Hello guys, my name is Ajay. In this video, I want to thank you, all of you. Because of you, I got 300 subscribers. In this video, I am going to talk about how did I get the idea that I have to start vlogging. So I will tell you everything about it. So the time start from 2019-20. The time start from 2020 when I was in class 11th. So that time the corona pandemic was going on. So there was a person who used to make videos in that time, but that time I was not familiar with the name of vlogging, means I was unaware with the word of vlog. So he was a vlogger. He came in our school to take interview of teachers and the students which were studying in class, which were studying in the school. uh, he asked something to us, like I was studying there. I had a friend of mine, and he started to asking lots of question about us. So I thought that he will ask a lot of question to me. I was also ready to answer the question, but he asked a little bit. But he asked some question to my friend, and he asked me some question, but he did not record me. But from there I was thinking that how that day I was thinking that what is he doing, how why what is he doing, and why is he making videos. Because that time the vlogging was not common. There was only one vlogger which I knew in that time. The most thing which was fascinating me that time, I wanted to see myself in someone's phone. Means I wanted to get famous from starting. So as he shared his vlog channel with us, I subscribed his channel after going to home, and I saw my videos in his phone. So he were means that time he got 300 400 views. I saw the video of his. I was surprised. I saw that 300 400 people are watching his videos, and means I was thinking that he uploaded the video, but people are watching to me, and people are watching my clip. In that time I was thinking about it. I was not sure that the thing which I was watching that time, yeah, I was uh, observing that time, it can be a passion of, it can be the passion for me. So after 3 and 4 year of the conversation of the vlogging office, I was not sure that I will do vlog. Like uh, okay. After that, I was searching on YouTube that what is vlog, and I saw a video of Manoj De. Because of his video, I got to know about vlogging properly. Like he told a lot of things. He told a lot of things in his videos. He shared some tips. Like if you want to start a vlog, so how can you face camera, and how can you speak, and how can you start your vlog. So that time I did it for 2 and 3 months, but it was in Hindi, and that was not a long videos. It was just a short videos for 15 second, 20 second, and more than 1 minute. Sometimes it was the things. But after that, after making videos for uh, daily basis, but after making videos for daily basis, I was I was feeling happy that I was getting views, not more views, but like 100 200 views was enough for me on Instagram. I was not on YouTube, but one day I decided that I have to make my YouTube channel, and I saw some videos of some YouTubers which were telling us that how can you create a YouTube channel. Sorry, I just want to share a clip with you that I did not make only one Gmail for me. I made 30 and 40 Gmail account for me, and with the help of the Gmail, I subscribed my channel, and I got 30 and 40 subscriber in my previous account, previous ID, previous YouTube channel. That was Ajay12128. So that was the thing. And second channel I made on YouTube, that was Ajay ki Hindi vlogging. That was the second channel of mine on YouTube. So I got 45 or 46 subscriber in the channel. If instead of making English content, if I would be making videos in Hindi language, in Pahari language, so I know that I can uh, be relatable, because everyone speak Hindi and Pahari language, and they can understand my content easily. But there I won't be get the fame which I wanted to get from starting. So the making of English content, the idea of making English content, it was in my mind from class ninth. I had the idea, but I was not sure that the idea can uh, turn into a vlog and I can be a vlogger, permanent vlogger in English. So I think that I am not perfect. Will learn a lot of things, and this learning will help me to grow in my life. And because of the learning, I would be getting fame. I would be getting money easily. So that's the end. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. So I hope that you will be interested to watch my videos in every day. So I know that it may take 1 year to be perfect in something, but until unless I will not get 1,000 subscribers, 10,000 subscribers, I am not going to leave it, because I am stubborn, and I do hard work. I do things which makes me happy, and I am passionate for this. So